National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Baltimore City in northern Maryland, southwestern Harford County in northern Maryland, southeastern Baltimore County in northern Maryland, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Towson, or near Pikesville, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Baltimore, Pikesville, Middle River, Towson, Essex, Parkville, Kearney, Perry Hall, Lockern, Rosedale, Rossville, Mays Chapel, Timonium, White Marsh, Hampton, Kingsville, Motherville, Timonium, Lotherville, Nottingham, and Glenarm. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in Maryland, Baltimore and Harford, and the Maryland independent city of Baltimore.